Introducing the Dometic SeaStar trim tab system, available in both a standard electric and a network-based adaptive configuration. The intuitive dial controller provides hassle-free pitch and roll control and takes the guesswork out of trim tabs. Simply rotate the dial to adjust the roll of your boat, or press the one-touch bow up or bow down buttons for pitch adjustment. Position monitoring is simple with LED indicators that provide instant position feedback. To further simplify operation, the controller features a programmable favorites button, and the home button can be used to instantly retract the tabs. The standard system is a two-piece actuator design using ball screw technology that delivers repeatable positioning with low power consumption and long-term reliability. The adaptive system uses a high-torque DC motor that drives a planetary gearbox and inverted lead screw design, delivering ultra-efficient, high-load performance. With dual housing seals and IP69K rated protection, both actuators are built to thrive in demanding marine environments, season after season. Trim tabs are built from 12-gauge 304 stainless steel and electro-polished as standard on adaptive systems. They use quarter-inch hinge pins and heavy-duty 14-gauge hinges engineered to deliver maximum strength and long-term reliability. Installation is simple with Deutsch connectors and stainless steel hardware included as standard with every trim tab kit. We've engineered our trim tabs to deliver precise control that offers the boater an intuitive user experience on the water.